Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Raven tools for SEO management step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Raven tools if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its layout. Navigate to the SEO section found in the main menu. Begin by conducting keyword research. Click on the keyword research tool. Enter your seed keywords related to your niche. Review the suggestions provided, paying attention to search volume and competition. Select and save the keywords that best fit your goals. Next, move to the Site Audit feature within the SEO section. Enter your website URL and set the audit parameters. Initiate the audit and wait for the analysis to complete. Once the audit is finished, review the findings for any SEO issues. Take note of priority items such as broken links, metadata errors, and page speed issues. After reviewing the site audit, use the Backlink Explorer tool. Input your domain or a competitor's to analyze backlink profiles. Evaluate the quality and quantity of backlinks. Consider strategies for acquiring high-quality backlinks based on your findings. Now, head to the Rank Tracker tool to monitor keyword performance. Add the keywords you previously saved to track their rankings over time. Schedule regular updates for ranking reports. Utilize the reporting feature to create comprehensive SEO reports. Select data points you want to include, such as keyword rankings and site audit results. Customize the report layout to fit your branding needs. Generate the report and schedule automatic delivery to your email or clients. Regularly check back into Raven tools to adjust your strategies based on the data. Utilize any additional tools available in Raven, such as competitor analysis and social media insights, to enhance your SEO management. Stay updated with the platform's features as they may change or improve over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.